Hello Math 8. This is going to be a summary to Chapter 10, Section 1 about exponents. The first thing we talked about was writing products using exponents. All we have to do is pay attention to, okay, here's the base, 5, right? 5 times 5. So we write 5. How many are there? There are 2 of them, so that's 5 squared. Take a look over here. We have another factor, right? Negative x times the quantity negative x times the quantity negative x. So that's the base. And how many are there? 3. So your final answer is going to be 5 squared times the quantity of negative x cubed. Now let's talk about evaluating some expressions. This is where we actually solve them. This is actually called base 10 math, by the way. This is big in math and science. So what we do is we take the base 10 and we write it 3 times. 10 times 10 times 10. And actually there's a shortcut. If you want to use your calculator, you can. You just type 10 times 10, which is 100, times 10 is 1,000. Now the shortcut in base 10 math is real simple. The exponent is telling you how many zeros to write. 1, 2, 3. And you're done. So again, feel free to use a calculator if you want. On B, this one's different. This is the negative of the quantity 1 over 6 to the 5th power. So here's the negative times the quantity of 1 over 6. We're going to write that 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now obviously we all know that 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, okay? Now, this part, feel free to use your calculator. This is going to be 6 times 6 is 36, and then you're going to multiply by 6 again, and once again, and then finally a 5th time. And that number is 7,776. Okay, and we still have the negative out here, so let's simplify this. I'll put it right here since I don't have all the space in the world. It's going to be negative 1 over 7,776. And now let's try this one. Order of operations says that we should take care of any grouping symbols. We don't have any, but let's take care of the exponents. So 1 to the 10th power, that's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, all the way to multiply it 10 times. That's just 1, okay? Minus 9 plus, and then 2 cubed, all right? 2 cubed is not 6. 2 cubed is 8. All right, now we've took care of the exponents. There is no multiplication or division, so we do addition and subtraction from left to right. Well, here we go. Look at that. All right, so 1 minus 9 is negative 8. All right. Again, 1 minus 9 is negative 8. And then negative 8 plus 8 is 0.